Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing EEENF, ILUS, Wdlf, Lclp, Aiad, and DWAC. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks I'm recovering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, it takes you to our original profile, which is date and time stamped on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. Many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all a free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. Folks, we're in a crappy market. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Right now, the best move you could have right now is in cash. Not watch the market, not stress over what's going on right now, because it's overall weak. And what's going on is the VIX is spiking, which is the options volatility index, and the S&P stocks are breaking down. If you look at the Russell 2000, which is a better indicator of what the overall market, because the S&P is geared towards Apple. The higher your market cap, the bigger your weighting, whereas the Russell is more representative of the overall market, and it's breaking down. We've been in a 212, 215 level to 230 on the Russell for the past year, and as you can see, we've broken the key support levels. This is a bearish sign, and I think there's going to be more pain ahead. So I'm not here to tell you to chin up and go in and start buying the dip yet. I don't see the dip as I think there's more downside, so I just want to prepare you folks for that. But there are still opportunities in some good quality names with catalysts. One is EEENF. It's up 35% this week. It held the 2 cent level. What's going on here is that they are getting their final permit for the Merlin 2 well in Alaska. They should start drilling next month. And this one just uplisted to QB. I've talked about this one a great deal in the past. This is a lotto play, but everything looks good for this Merlin 2 well. If the results come out as expected, this will no longer be a penny stock. This thing is off and running. It will be over $1, and I expect Chevron or Exxon will do a buyout offer. The chances of success are, last I heard, about 55-60%. So it's better than even. your downside is 3 cents. So it's a great risk reward setup. No one knows what the results are going to be like, but all things are from the geological studies that I have seen are indeed positive, and I think EEENF is a sleeper right now on the OTC, but it is getting a lot more notice. $5 million volume yesterday. So the dollar volume, buyers are accumulating here in 88 Energy. So definitely be paying attention to this one if you aren't already. Next up is ILUS. Guys, you follow my channel. I talk a lot about moving averages, 20, 50, 200 day. This one dipped right down to just above the 200 day of 20 cents. That held, it consolidated right here at the 22 cent level, and we're now at 35 cents. So this one has a lot of catalysts coming up. They're making major acquisitions. They're getting ready to do more. They are entering the metaverse market with an upcoming acquisition of a VR and AR training software company. The company has also agreed to the acquisition of a drone company based in Germany. So again, these are all hot sectors. ILUS, this is an M&A play. They're doing a lot of deals. Their managing director, John Paul Blackwell, even in the middle of COVID, he was flying all over the globe trying to close deals. So, and it's paid off. We've talked about this one. If you look at in August, it was under 5 cents. It went to rally to 50 cents, pulled off, corrected by half, and it's now making another run higher. So ILUS is, again, it's a quality company, and this is why it's bucking the overall market trend. Next up is Wdlf. This was one ran to 4 cents last February. It's in 00 right now. I've been putting out some updates. There's going to be a there's subsidiary, or they have an ownership stake in MJ Link. Shareholders can look to it for an update at the end of next week. They've been doing some podcasts, so they're trying to keep the momentum going. A very strong and rabid shareholder base. So this one looks to have bottomed. And we think this one can get going here with some very, very positive news if they put out a big PR. Next up is Lclp. This one here held the penny. It's starting to flag right here. We're consolidating right now at the 20, the 50, and the 200 day. We get a close above $2, 2 cents, particularly 3 cents, and this one's off and running. They've been posting updates on Twitter. Their subsidiary Belfrix, they did over $2 million in revenue last quarter. This is just a $31 million market cap. It's a crypto play. They got a lot going on. So let's see what more PRs come down the pike. Again, catalyst plays are what you want to be playing right now. Companies with upcoming catalysts. Don't keep trying to pick the bottom in some of these names. Without catalysts, you're just throwing good money after bad. So I highly recommend, like I said, right now, stick to the quality names, and also keep a large cash position so that you can play some new plays. We only had one alert this week, NASDAQ play trading flat. It's a biotech play, put out huge news, and the stock closes flat. I just don't get it. It's just a weak market, so we're not going to be putting out any new alerts on Friday. So let's see how these markets trade, and we'll reevaluate the situation for our subscribers. Next up is AIAD. This is a Trump play. His former campaign manager, Brad Pascal, has been tweeting about it. He tweeted on the 19th. Boom, the new Go AIAD platform has finally automated the full stack of technologies used in the 2016 election that changed the world. Watch the customer stack up now. It is full AI based. So much more to come. And, again, the Trump SPAC, DWAC, this is bucking the overall market downtrend. Again, it's got catalysts coming up with the Trump Truth Social app getting ready to launch next month. So again, we think there's going to be some the bullish momentum will continue, especially once that app gets launched and President Trump makes his return to social media. So exciting times. Whether again, please, I'm not going to get into politics. I'm in the business of making money. So, whether you like him or hate him, that's on you. I love money, so I think you guys can make money with the guy. If you look at the history of the markets when he was president, it was a great time to be an investor. A lot of money was made. So take it what you want to take from it. I try not to get involved in politics. I'm involved in making money and trying to give you guys money making opportunities. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but just trying to help you guys navigate these waters. Again, there's good times, there's bad times. When we're in bad times, as I've repeated on this channel, December was very slow the first half, and I said, guys, caution. Things got good towards the end of the month. We had one 10-bagger on the OTC for our subscribers. We had we had one triple-digit runner. So there was definitely opportunities on the OTC for our subscribers at the end of December. Right now, I'll be doing screens all weekend, looking for low float plays on the OTC, looking for our next triple-digit runner. So these are the types of plays, look for subscribers. But again, everything, they don't grow on trees. You have to look, I have to look through hundreds of stocks, trying to find the right one and seeing what news is, and then looking at the floats, and then looking at the filings, looking if there's any, looking at the balance sheet, seeing if there's any convertible debt. I mean, these are a lot of things that you have to take into consideration when it comes to OTC, but I enjoy what I do. So guys, be prepared for next week, OTC runners. So sign up.insiderfinancial.com, and then over the weekend I'll be recapping Friday's action, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want to wish everyone good luck on Friday. I will be watching the markets, not doing any trading or anything. Let's just see how the markets play out, and go from there. All right, guys, have a great night, and I'll be coming live over the weekend. Bye-bye.